Hello friends, welcome to the series of Indian polity subject. Now in this subject, rather in this topic, we are going to discuss about the Governor Generals of Bengal. The topics which we are going to discuss and highlight upon is the Governor Generals of Bengal. Now you know in the year 1773, the Regulating Act it was passed by the British Parliament in order to control the affairs of the East India Company and to avoid absolute enjoyment of the power by the East India Company. In that direction, the first effort was made by the British government that they had passed the Regulating Act. Now here the Regulating Act, you need to understand the term. The Regulating Act means to control the affairs of the East India Company, and through this act they had made several provisions. Now as we know that in those days during the British era, we had the provinces, we didn't have the states as we have today. So we had Madras province, Bengal province and Bombay province. These were the major provinces in the country, and these provinces were controlled and commanded by the governors of each province. But as per the provisions of the Regulating Act 1773, the governor of Bengal, he was elevated to the post of the Governor General of Bengal. So in the year 1772, Warren Hastings, he became the Governor of Bengal. But as per the provisions of the 1773 Regulating Act, he was elevated to the post of Governor General of Bengal. Now when he became the Governor General of Bengal, he introduced several measures, he adopted several measures, and what are the basic features of the basic thing that had taken place during the tenure of Warren Hastings that we are going to discuss here today. He abolished the dual system of administration. That means the administration which were bifurcated into two administrative powers. He tried to centralize the powers in his own hand, and he was the first Governor General of Bengal. So the question if at all it comes, the last Governor of Bengal was Warren Hastings, and the first Governor General of Bengal was Warren Hastings. The another salient feature during his tenure, that he divided Bengal into two districts and appointed collectors and the other revenue officials. So that was the another landmark decision that he had taken when he became the Governor General of Bengal. And during his tenure only, you will wonder to know, the first Supreme Court was established in our country, and Elijah Impey, he was the first British Chief Justice of India's Supreme Court, and there were other three judges. So the first Chief Justice of British Indian Supreme Court was Elijah Impey, and as per the Regulating Act's provision, the Supreme Court was established in Calcutta, and Elijah Impey became the first judge of the Supreme Court of India. Now, another landmark things which can be noted here about Warren Hastings, he founded Bengal Asiatic Society of Bengal with William Jones in 1784. Even this question repeatedly it is being asked in the NDA examination, CDS examination. So he founded Asiatic Society of Bengal with William Jones in 1784, and he was the first one who had given introduction to the first English version of Bhagavad Gita, which was written by Charles Wilkins. Charles Wilkins, he had written the treatise or the translation of the Bhagavad Gita in English, but for that the introduction was given by Warren Hastings, who was the first Governor General of Bengal. And another landmark thing, the important thing that took place during his tenure was he started Diwani and Fauzdari Adalat, that is the courts, and the district level Sadar Diwani and Nizamat Adalat, appellate courts where you can go for the appeal. So these were the administrative reforms which has taken place during the tenure of Warren Hastings when he became the Governor General of Bengal. He redefined Hindu and Muslim laws. A translation of code in Sanskrit appeared under the title Code of Gento Laws. So all these translations, the landmark decisions were taken during the tenure of Warren Hastings. And one more thing you need to understand here, when he became the Governor General of Bengal, the other two governors, those who were the governors of the Madras and the Bombay provinces, they were under his command and control. That means he became superior to the other two governors. And the concluding part, the first Anglo-Maratha war was fought during his period. The Anglo-Maratha war which was fought, right, and that was fought during the tenure of Warren Hastings, and this war ended with the Treaty of Salbai. Now this question repeatedly comes in the examination. During which tenure the first Anglo-Maratha war was fought? The answer is Warren Hastings. And by which treaty the Anglo-Maratha war was ended? Treaty of Salbai. Then second Anglo-Mysore war, it was also fought during the tenure of Warren Hastings, and it ended up with the Treaty of Mangalore. This question is also repeatedly asked in the examination. So you need to memorize the salient points related to the Warren Hastings when he became the Governor General of India. Governor General of Bengal, Governor General of Bengal. And it ended with the Treaty of Mangalore, that is the second Anglo-Mysore war. Rohilla war also took place during his tenure. And thereafter, Pitt's India Act, it came into existence 1784, and Edmund Burke Bill was passed, deprived zamindars of their judicial powers, maintenance of record was made compulsory. These were the administrative reforms which were taken during the tenure of Warren Hastings. Impeachment proceedings. Now, the another thing that had happened, maybe it's a matter of destiny that had happened with him. He was impeached. He was charged for the corruption, and the proceedings were taken place in British Parliament. But however, after the trial of 7 years, he was finally acquitted. So dear students, try to memorize, try to learn these things related to the Warren Hastings, because when you face any competitive exam, you are bound to get one question related to the Governor Generals of Bengal, or the Governor Generals of India, or the Viceroys of India. So we shall be discussing the next Governor General of Bengal in this series. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks once again. Thank you.